So hi guys, welcome back to the course. So today we will download and install CodeBlocks IDE. So the first step is to open incognito window. So just kidding. So search on Google CodeBlocks. Open the first link codeblocks.org. Now go to downloads section. Now you have to select download binary release. Okay, so in download section I will select download binary release. Now here I can see many options for Windows, for Linux and for Mac. Since I am using Windows, I will come here. Now for Windows I have many options. So which option should I select? So I will select this option, MinGW setup.exe. Okay, you have to select only this option because in this option compiler is pre-installed. Otherwise you have to install compiler manually. Okay, so select this option only. Now click here to start download sourceforge.net. Now the download will start automatically. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so save. So the download has been started. Now the download has completed and here is my setup. So it is a normal software. You can install it just like any other software. So open it. Next. Okay, so read license agreement very carefully. It is very important. So just kidding. I agree. Okay, make sure all the boxes are checked. Okay, next. Install. You can see shortcut is automatically created. Now you have two options. Either you can run CodeBlocks now or you can run it later. So for example, I am choosing no. You can choose yes also, but for example, I am choosing no. Okay, next, finish. Now there are two options to run CodeBlocks. You can run CodeBlocks with the help of this shortcut, or you can search here code. So here it is. Open CodeBlocks. It will take some time. Now we will make a file. So go to file, new, empty file. Now before writing anything, go to file again, save file. Okay, so we will be writing code in C++. So the extension of our file will be CPP. CPP means C++, and you can give it any name. For example, hello.cpp. Okay, save. So now we will write some code to check whether our CodeBlocks is working fine or not, and you have to copy the same code. Hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon int main return 0. Cout Harsh is awesome. Okay, so you have to copy the same code. Now there are two options. There are two play buttons. this is run, and this is build and run. Build and run means compile and run. So this button will compile our program first and then it will run. So we have to click this option, okay, build and run. Okay, so my program is running and you can see here my output is Harsh is awesome, and these two lines are default. Okay, so don't worry about these two lines, they are by default. Okay, so if this black window is appearing in front of you, that means your CodeBlocks is absolutely fine. Okay, so some people prefer to use dev C++ as an IDE, so you can also install that, dev C++. Okay, so you can install dev C++ IDE also if you want to use it, but CodeBlocks is much better than dev C++. Okay, so some people also use online compiler. So I use Ideon as my online compiler. It is same as CodeBlocks, but it is an online compiler. Okay, so I will write my code here. First of all, you have to choose language. So here choose C++. And then copy the code from here. So this is my code and run. Okay, so this is my output. std out means standard output and std in means standard input. So we are not taking an input, so that's why this is empty. Standard output is Harsh is awesome. Now if you remember, I have told you that compiler will not only convert our code into binary code, it will also find error for us. For example, I am writing something like, so it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so let us compile. Okay, so this red symbol means there is error in this line. You can also read error here, line number 7. This word was not declared in this scope. So compiler is telling me, hey, have you gone out of your mind? This doesn't make any sense. What the hell are you trying to do? Okay, so let us remove it. Now compile it again. Now our program is 100% correct. Okay, so let us edit here. Where is the option for edit? So here it is. Let us edit this also. So I'm done something very strange. Okay, so let us Ideon it means run it. Okay, so you can see here this word is not declared in this scope. So the compiler is telling me, have you gone out of your mind? What are you trying to do, man? So in the next class, we will be writing our first C++ program.